I am Cullen. I'm the building consultant for the Athens, Georgia location. I help guide the customer from point A to point B, basically showing them different plans that would work for them, explaining the process and helping them pick out a floor plan that would best suit their needs and their family needs, including being in their price range. America's Home Place is a special place for business because we have a strong foundation, great leadership, and we have a culture that permeates to our customers. And people can see that, they understand, and they can feel it. So some of the customizable options that we have with America's Home Place is basically endless, but a couple of the more popular ones I see would be adding hardwoods throughout, upgrading to a concrete fiber siding. But we can really do anything that you want, anything that would fit your family's needs, whether it be adding that beautiful front covered porch or a large back deck for grilling. Everyone who walks through that door, we take care of them like they're $1 million buyer. And when customers find out that we really do care, they'll talk about it and they'll share with family and friends. The services that America's Home Place offers are basically A to Z. We help these customers, whether it's finding land, to customizing a floor plan, going through the site evaluation, and obviously the construction. And I think that's why folks love coming to us, because we handle everything for them and they're in good hands when they come to us.